Back everyone, we are starting it off on a follow-up video on XRP Ripple today because there are things going on that I want to bring to your attention. Before we get started, please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates as they come out. If you have any other questions or concerns, leave it in the comments section below. Please, if you're interested in trading with me live, join our Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you so much. Let's get into it. Here it is, Ripple. We've actually made a few videos on this. I'm going to actually turn on my drawings, but as you can see on the weekly, we are getting upside right now. Now, if you turn on the drawings, you can see that, hey, we were looking at this consolidation and we went and tested into that 47 cent, and I said, hey, if we get any lower than around here, like 40, you have to question the support that we built on this fake out head and shoulder, which caused the upside to start. And that's literally what we got. Was this buyers were defended, got nice markup. But this is where I want you guys to start putting on your reasonable hats. We were watching this trade for about 86, 90 days. Now, in those 90 days, nothing happened other than sideways chop, frustrating the crap out of people. And then all of a sudden, you got a 57% increase in about, let's see, I just want to give you guys some numbers like this so you can understand like logic. So sorry, not 50, but 34, 35% in the last 9, 10 days. Okay, that's a lot of upside, right? 35%. Also, anyone who took the long at 47 cents, it's clearly marked here that you should be taking some profit around 63 cents, 65 cents, and then again 72 cents. Now, the fact that you're not at 63 cents, 63.9, I still recommend taking profit. For you to look for that exact level is understandable, but I don't want you to miss the opportunity to take profit. How does Ripple work? One guy got a lot of coin. If he decides to take some profit, that's what's going to happen. Okay, you're going to see that downside come, as well as everyone else who wants to take profit is in a situation like that. So you have this weekly candle going. You already see the volume is actually slowing down on the weekly candle, but even when volume slows down, you still get upside continuation until the selling occurs, okay? Using this as an example. So you have maybe another week or two, okay? And I mean, this week and then maybe next week. So I want to say 1.5 weeks for as high as this to get into before a possible test of support. Now, look at this consolidational pattern that we've had on this chart forever, right? It's at this level. All I'm expecting it to do is come back and find support. I know it's saying all the way down to 47 cents, but I'm going to ask for a higher high here at around 52 cents being support. Yeah, 52, 53 cents to be support. And that's where I want this next retrace. If we get this rejection here, and it's not rejection, it's probably going to be take profit. And if we get a bounce over here to this 52, 53, my next level I'll be looking for profit is going to be around here at like 80 cents. Okay? So the reason why I point this fib out and this fib out, this fib is to show you the rejection here. And our target, if we were going to get it, was going to come to 28 to 11 cents. Okay? Now, if this rejects and we don't stop at 52 cents and we lose 47 cents again, this is still a possibility in this descending channel formation. I didn't rule out that this is never gonna be coming, but the likelihood of this downside fast move is now a lot less likely due to the breakout. I'm trying to line this up in this fashion. I know it's very tight, but I want to like that. And this is another reason why this 63.5 cent area is a good area to take profit. I know these fibs over here are leading you to think 65, But this 63 is a very, very important level. I'm giving you this TA with the doodles just so you can understand that, hey, this bullish triangle is trying to break out, but it's still a lower high, guys. So I understand the excitement of breakout and we're going to go to $1 and all that good stuff. For the weekly close, we need to at least get above 63 cents and close the weekly above 63 cents. Next week, I'll be looking for 82. And around 82, I'm going to be expecting the pullback back to 63 for sure. And then upside continuation. So I hope this all makes logical sense as to why I'm saying this. Another factor you got to consider is Bitcoin, ETH, and Dixie. Okay, there is stuff going on in the currency markets, and that's kind of why I wanted to bring up Ripple. In the future, people are talking about Ripple being a stable currency coin used for transaction, whatever. It don't really matter. But right now, if that is gonna occur, right now all of crypto, as Dixie is going down, the dollar value is increasing. All the crypto that are based in dollars should be going up. Okay, so Bitcoin, ETH, Ripple, all the coins should be going up, including tech stocks. Okay, should be going up. When this corrects, I don't know, but it is going to be a sharp correction. I'm just warning everyone I can who wants to listen. This formation is now coming into the danger area, and someone's gonna have to act. And my money is on Bank of Japan. They are basically gonna default. Their currency is at like 162, which it hasn't been at since like 40, 50 years, whatever. But I think they're gonna go to like 200, 250. The amount of damage that they have done, they've done it, and it's probably gonna roll over into global markets. And there are banks, there are institutions and companies in Japan that own Bitcoin on their company books. So there are already people hedging there, knowing what's happening with the Japanese yen. And that's something I just want you guys to be very, very aware of. Do not get shocked if everything gets very, very volatile, because the central banks are the ones that are going to have to, do something. More than likely, Japan's going to have to spend their dollar reserves to hold up their value. And when they spend it, this is what's going on. This is why dollar is becoming more valuable compared to yen. And then euro is right around the corner. ECB is right around the corner to do their next policy meeting. And just be aware that if they cut and Powell doesn't cut in July and it comes in September, which now the probability is 100% to come in September, he should just do it in July. But if he does wait till September, we still have the whole month of August to sit and wait. And August on history is not the best month. So that's the last little thing I want to leave for you guys. Aside from all of that, please go back test what I'm talking about. Go back to ETH, Bitcoin. Go look what happens around July 15th until end of August, and that should be enough of a clue as to what I am looking for into September. And yeah, I'm telling you guys about this taking profit situation because this rounding top is still in effect. Okay, this target is still valid, but this upside quick move for all the people who have been frustrated and waiting for such a dying long time, this is like a breath of relief, and this is going to incite the excitement in other alts as well, because all the altcoins are running. I saw God's coin yesterday, one of the coins that I was in, 70% up in one day. So obviously there's some type of blow off top occurring in altcoin market, and as well as yesterday, the last few days, the whole U.S. equities It was small caps. It was the Russell 2000. The last thing to rally was the small caps. And then you can see a rollover. So today's going to be very important. Full disclosure, I am short on ETH from 3,500. I'm going to be holding that short even if we go to 3,800. I will just add. I am not looking for too much crazy upside, even with ETF on July 23rd around the corner. Please go back test what happens on these kind of events. And yes, that's basically the gist of what I'm trying to get at. Yes, it's going up. I do think you should take some profit. I think you can hold it for upside continuation. I think you should be very, very concerned if we come back to 47 cents. And I think you should be extremely on alert if we go under and close a weekly underneath 46, 47 cents again. Technically, what I think is happening is this is a big, big short squeeze from all the people who try to short thinking we were going to actually go to these targets. And now what we're doing is grabbing all their liquidity, and then you will get that take a test on that same breakdown. Nothing has changed in this triangle consolidation yet. It's still doing that same thing, just chopping in there. And on top of that, if you take the consolidation properly, this is one lower high, lower high, lower high. This is the first new high, but still, it's just making a little head and shoulder here. So I'll be the guy that everyone hates, and I'll be the guy that gives you the voice of reason. That's one way to look at it. Another thing is, look, every time it does this head and shoulder thing, it's a fake out and breaks to the upside, right? So that's why I was saying, even if it broke to the upside, when it comes back to the downside, it makes a bull flag consolidation. So that's what we were talking about in the beginning. We want that bull flag above 47 cents into 63, and then eventually we want that breakout into 87, 82 cents. And then once we break above that, definitely it's just all this air, I don't care about it. All this nonsense is nonsense. Once you get above 72 cents, it's like 82 cents. After 82 cents, you're going to $1. After this dollar, after you break this resistance, you see this is where I'm looking for this next consolidation between $1.18, $1.42. Once that's done, this thing can start its, true path back to the upside. And you still have to come test it at this level, this $3 level, but it's in process. If you take off all the doodles, you see this is literally what we are trying to do. Buyers are going to come step in. As buyers come step in, and the sellers are, less red candles, less size as well, and as the green candles grow, you will see us actually come above this order block over here at 62, 63 cents. Is this 62? Oh, I apologize. This is 77 cents. Is that the fib level that we're looking for? 73. Yeah, so 73 is 77. And then from there, the next natural area of resistance is right over here, right? At these tops around $1.07. And after that, you got like your wicks. You got to pull fib to actually have like some kind of mathematical target. But if you're doing naked TA, you have these wicks as resistances. $2, $1.39, all of that. I'm not going to go off the wicks. I would just go off the fib. And then for the fib, it's marking out these three wicks right here where your rejection confirmed as the next consolidational level. Once you break above this, the next actual level, I'll just be looking at 185. After that, I'm looking for the next top wick, because what will occur is the short squeeze will gain momentum and you will get into a parabolic fashion the closer you get above $1. And once you're above $1, the whole world will probably jump into this bandwagon, and you will see like green candles like this, like over here, volume-wise. Volume-wise right now, we are so lackluster, very, 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 very lackluster volume. Once this volume kicks off, you will start seeing impulse candles. All right? That's basically the gist I have for you guys today. I know it was like very short, but there's nothing really to discuss other than the fact that you're hitting one of your take profit targets from our last video. And just make sure you're ready that, hey, once this daily closes here at 63 whatever, if we come pull back to 52, 53, do not psych yourself out into a bear mode. It's a buying opportunity. It's only bearish once again with a daily open and close underneath 47 cents. And if that happens, I'm targeting 22, 23 cents around here, 28 to 23 cents, and still looking for upside. I'm not saying that this is done and gone. It's just shaking out people with less conviction of the higher targets for the upside. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. Aside from that, please, please, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. And if you want to trade with me live, please feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Trade safe.